let's begin the journey. And I'm hoping we get some sound in this game. Because this should be all hooked up absolutely fine to my PlayStation 3, but any sound? Any sound at all? I'm not hearing any sound right now. Oh, am I hearing sound? Something tells me I should be hearing some sound. Surely I'll be hearing some sound over this. Well, I hope you're enjoying this fantastic site with no sound. Maybe you can make up your own sounds in this particular game. Let's see. What can I do? Are you hearing any sounds here? Anything at all? Can't pause the game? Nope, cannot pause the game. So, hang on a second. I'm just gonna. This is all going well. All going well. Let's try this again. So, right. I found something. On the internet which might help the problem with the sound. And okay, so there's still no sound, but I found a couple of web forums. I'm going to give these a try live on the air. Hi everybody, the Grax here, and this is my stream. I'm just eating some strawberries. Don't mind me. Delicious strawberries. Well, strawberries and whipped cream, but that's not important. What is important is I'm trying to figure out why this is not working. And I thought, rather than doing it off camera, that I'll try and do this on camera, see if we can fix it together at the same time. Because we don't want to play this game with no sound or with no music. Oh, let me just grab this tablet right here. Okay, so I'm not getting any sounds in this game of Journey on the PlayStation 3. And what I've done is I got one of the discs. And I thought that there was a problem with the installation from the disc. So I deleted the whole game. And then I reinstalled it from scratch. It doesn't bother me because I didn't play this game before. And I am still getting the same audio problems. And I'm going to see if there are any problems right now. Let's see. Let's go to Journey. I'm on the company website called That Game Company. Maybe there is some problems going on here. One person said they had to reset their audio settings, but I'm not sure this is it. All right, so let's try this. But the thing is, I've tried other games, and they've all got sound absolutely fine. So I don't know why this game is the problem. So let's see. Well, maybe I need to go into here. So get the controller, and then if we go to settings, sound, system settings, note, date and sound. Thanks. I'm going to need all the help I can get. Fine. Let's quit the game. Let's quit the game and see if we can figure out. I bet you weren't expecting this for a game of Journey, were you? Yeah. A whole bunch of no signals and audio stuff. Look, so this all works fine. You can hear this. So if we do that, audio output, HDMI, make it automatic. Try that. Through multiple connectors simultaneously, key turns. Nope. Okay, so that should be all okay. And then if we go to Let's see. One of these games I have, which I know has music, which I think it's... Look, it's right there. You can actually hear it. So let's try this again. Let's go Journey. Where is it? Journey Hop. Journey. Here we go. Fine. I'm going to do a bit more searching on the internet just to see if there's a problem with the PlayStation 3 version of Journey. Okay. So reading this website, HDMI, going through there, still nothing. I hear nothing. Let's try a different one. Ah! Well, f me. It worked. I don't know why that worked, but that worked. Okay.